Hello, gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. Today's mini clip, I'll be looking at dreams. Bad dreams. Have you ever been in a dream where you feel like you're falling from a building 100 feet high and when you're almost reach your ground, you wake up? Those kind of dreams. No. Last night I was dreaming that I was on the highway, going down on the highway. I was driving, and as I was driving down on the highway, there was many people on the highway, kids, everything. I was going through traffic, all those stuff, until it reached close to the end where I was driving and now I was on a bicycle on the same highway, which is weird. You know, dreams are like that. Dreams are very weird. So I was going on the highway, and then I come off the bicycle and I saw three people. I saw a man and his wife and his kid going to a section, like there's this generator there. So as they walked towards the generator, I observed them was two kids on top of the generator. It's like a lookout, right? And they were there and I saw them walk down there, and I observed all the turns that they made while they were walking. At this point, I don't know where I am in the dream to actually see that, but I see it in the dream. And then they walked through, and then they just stepped down like in through a door, and then they disappeared. So I dashed up there instantly and asked the kids like if they see anything. But at this point, the kids seem weird. They seem like some spirit or some kind of ghost or something, but it just seemed weird. They seem real, but it just seemed weird. So I was trying to look for it and stuff, and I couldn't find it, so I got upset. And then the dream took me like to this village, like it's like this town. It took me to this town where we had rooms and everything, and then my friends were there and all like that. And I started to say, is this a conspiracy stuff, you know, to cover up some kind of stuff, because I was looking for it and stuff. And then I got in trouble for questioning all of that. I got in trouble for questioning where the people them go and all them stuff there, and I started to get like upset. I started to get angry. I started to worry if they're going to kill me or something like that. This is in the dream. So I was there and they called me into a room to interrogate me and say I use the word conspiracy 3 times, and I type it in on the internet, and they were saying how much that is not random. I'm looking for something, and I'm like, how can I be looking for something? You know, this just seemed weird. And then the guy that I was following, I saw him coming out like he was exiting the building, but I was still there being interrogated, and he looked okay, right? And then they called my sister. They called my sister Opal to interrogate us and all that, and I was like, Opal, if they're going to kill me, then I don't care, but they're going to kill me now and all that. And somehow in the dream, I escaped and I went to the dorm room, and I called my friend. I don't remember her name, but I called my friend and I said to her, hey, I think I was naked at this point, so I was looking for underwear and stuff. It's a weird dream. I was naked, I was looking for underwear. So I went in a suitcase and I took out the underwear and I run outside, and they were there and they said I need to hide. So hiding outside, and they were looking for me and stuff like that. And then I saw the guy again, like he was leaving and all like that. And then I woke up. So yeah, that's pretty much how the dream went. But this is a weird dream. It's not the first time I've had it. I think I've had it like a couple years ago, where I was on the highway and then this conspiracy thing, like somebody trying to cover up something, and I don't know what it is, but it's just weird. So if you have weird dreams like this, share in the comment. Tell me what your dreams are like. Tell me your experiences in the dream. Tell me if this dream was a weird dream, and if you like this dream, tell me. Remember to subscribe and share if you like my content. Leave a comment down there. Share my videos if you love them. Thanks for watching. #JVLOGS. I'm out.